I study physics because since a young age, I've always been kind of curious about how the world worked, asking questions. I'm sure I drove my parents insane. And it's one thing when you're a toddler, but then when you got to choose, a life path and somebody's saying, you can just ask questions about things like space for a living. I'm like, sign me up. That's super cool. Being a student in the College of Science is great because you're surrounded by like-minded people and professors, faculty that want to see you succeed. And it's just spending all day living out the dreams of your 12-year-old self, investigating all these crazy cool things with other people that are just as passionate about it as you are. I chose to do research because it's one thing to learn things in class, but to get your hands dirty with this sort of investigation, it goes to show you, the efforts that scientists before you have made, but it also helps prepare you for a career in asking these questions that don't yet have answers and having to be content with not being able to look things up in the back of the book. I think physics should appeal to people because it's something that we are so interactive with on a daily basis to the point where it's just kind of taken for granted. Some of the things that we learn are just, when you take a step back, it's kind of mind-blowing that that's just been going on in the background of life everywhere since the beginning of time. But because we know nothing different, why should we care? But when you learn about these things, it gives you a greater appreciation of how the world works, how we use physics for things like medicine, technology, improving our lives, understanding the world and ourselves better.